guys, I thought I would do something a little bit different. I am gonna have a little bit of a chit chat with you all whilst getting ready to go out. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is just do my makeup. Now, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I am not a makeup artist. You won't learn anything about makeup from me, but I could just do the basics. So this is my Radiant Matte foundation. It's from Primark and it's only £6, but I like the way it looks when I put it on. So I actually went along to MAC. Let me get into the story, guys, give you the gist. Went along to MAC, asked for my mineralized powder. I'd ran out of mineralized powder. I'll show you the one that I normally buy. It's this one. Oh, Studio Fix Perfecting Powder in Dark Deep. That's the one I usually get, guys. Hope you can see. Let me show you properly. That's the one I normally buy. Okay, cool. Went along to MAC, spoke to a nice young lady. You know when you just walk up to the counter and you just see them standing there and you're like, I need some help. But they're like standing there looking into space as though you don't exist. So you're like, ma'am, excuse me, hello, hi, I exist. Please, could you help me with a product, please? And it's like you've almost got to beg. You know, you've almost got to beg them to come and help you. Anyway, young lady came over, told her what I wanted. She went to go and get me the item. Now, went to the till to pay. She told me the price. I was like, excuse me, darling. This doesn't seem to be the right price. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be the price that I usually pay. So how about you tell me what it is that you're charging me for, and I can tell you whether I'm going to accept or not. So she says that this is this mineralized. I think she said mineralized. I don't even know what she said. But I opened the packet, I had a look at it, and I was like, well, this is not the one I want. The one I want is a powder form. This was a pressed powder, but I said it's a mineral powder. It's like a loose powder. That's the one I want. So she said, oh, we don't do that anymore. We don't do that anymore. And it was just like that, oh, we don't do it anymore. So like, fine, okay, fine. That's not a problem. I'll leave it. Thank you very much. So she's getting all hyped up thinking that she's going to get a sale. And I'm like, not today, babes. You're not getting a sale. If MAC wants to change their products just like that, product I've been using for a long time, MAC will find that I'm not a customer anymore. That's what MAC will find. So this looks a bit orange, doesn't it, this powder, guys? This foundation, it looks a little bit orange, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad. I guess I'm putting quite a bit on. Maybe I should put less on. But yeah. So back to the story. I thought that if MAC go ahead and change their products just like that, they're not selling what I want anymore, MAC has definitely lost a customer. They've lost me. Seriously, they've lost a customer for good. So I went along to Boots instead. And in Boots, they had a special offer. They said if you buy something for £20, you're going to get a free gift worth £40. So I was like, okay, free gift for £40. That sounds kind of right up my street. I only have to spend 20 and you're giving me 40. Yes, that's a deal, guys. You have got a deal, MAC. I am buying MAC. You have got a deal, Boots. I am buying something for £20. Doesn't matter what, I'm buying it. I walked up to the NYX counter, guys, and I saw their powder. The NYX powder, where is it? Let me show you. NYX loose powder, guys. Just the same. This is medium deep, but it's just the same type of powder. It looks exactly the same. Look, MAC, NYX, MAC, NYX. Can you tell any difference, guys? Can you tell any difference? The colors, minimal. I mean, you can't see because this is finished. You can't really see what color the powder is, but I'm telling you, it's the same. So let's use our NYX powder. I actually love this. It was £12, 12. I normally pay 22 for the one that I wanted from MAC, but this is £12. Exactly the same when you open it. Give it a little shake. You see all that powder coming up? That's it. We just apply. It's darker than the foundation, but it has a nice tone to it. Guys, £12. Can you believe £12? So I bought this for 12, and I also bought a fixing spray for £20. So in total I spent £32, but I was still getting a gift for £40. £40, guys, £40. I was so excited. I was like, I need to see what is in this box. I need to see what's in the box. What freebies am I gonna get? Must be something good if it's £40 worth, yeah? Guys, this is the £40 gift. So you can see all the things that are in it. Just there, £40 gift. For free, guys, for free. So I'm gonna go through and show you what I got. I got this Essie pink color nail varnish. I got this Rimmel Lasting Radiance. I think this is a finishing powder as well. It is, it's a finishing powder. Let me show you, guys, let me show you. Finishing powder. So it's like that with different colors. Hope you can see. It's got different colors on, but I think the aim, or what you will be going for, is just to twist your brush in it and brush it all over your face, just to mattify and finish your foundation. Then I got this highlighting palette, a sleek highlighting palette, guys. I haven't even opened it. I've not opened it yet. First time opening it. Let's have a look. Ooh, wow. Wow. If nothing else, if I never use it, this packaging, look at that, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. So I've still got a little cover on there. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look. You've got your mirror on the top, and you've got all these in the palette. So, what have we got? So it says it's multi-purpose powder, right? 3 layers of luxurious cream formulas that can be laid all over the face, including the lips, eyes, and cheeks. I've never used it before, guys, but I'm going to. Yes, I'm going to. Pow! This is a sleek matte me lip color. I love it. I love this color, guys. It's beautiful. We're going to use that today. Also got cleansing wipes, number 7 cleansing wipes. Now I guess all in all that is definitely £40, or it could be £40 plus, but it's a lot of stuff, and best of all, it's free stuff, guys. A lot of free stuff. Can we complain for free stuff? Hell no, we can't complain. So that was the free gift I got for spending £32 in Boots, whereas I would have spent £22 in MAC and got 0 except for the powder. You weigh up, guys. You weigh this one up. This is my NYX finishing spray. I'll put a little bit of that on now. It has a matte effect, so that's great. I'm going to put some of this power on right here. Okay, guys, so we are ready for the crochet wig. Headband wig. crochet wig, headband wig. Yeah, you got it. Too far back. That's my headband wig, guys. I've had this wig for a little minute, and guess what? I'm still wearing it and I still love it. I really do. I just love being able to wear hair up with very little fuss. I've washed this wig recently. I'm going to do a video, I think, as well, just to let you know how I wash the wig and how it comes out. When you wash it, it actually gets really light, because I normally put product on, but then when I wash it out, it's kind of really, really light and fly away. So I'm just going to brush it out. I am wearing it up today, but as you can see, you can wear it down if you want to, and it would still look quite nice. Make sure we keep it all the way down. I've got clips at the side, so as long as those clips are in, take the ears out, clips in. It's not really going anywhere, guys. It's pretty firm and pretty secure. So that's it brushed out. I went along to Birmingham for a weekend. I love Birmingham as a city. It's just a beautiful place. Always stay in a nice hotel, go out, shop, do what you gotta do, and enjoy yourself whilst you're there. So I headed down to the Bullring Market. Bullring Market, you know, like when you go to a different city, you're always like, oh yeah, I need to go to the market. For people that live in the city, they're probably like, Bullring, who wants to go there? But me, I wanted to go to the Bullring Market. Got to the Bullring Market and I saw a lady selling scarves. I was like, oh, right, that's gonna come in handy for my headband wig. Asked her, lady, how much is this scarf? She said, guess what, guys? That's right, you got it, £1. I was like, £1? I'll have 15. No, I just took 3. So I got this one, this kind of purpley color. I got black and I got a blue with some little sparkly things on as well. And I just thought, yeah, I am having 3 of those because they are going to be great to wear with this style. So I've kind of changed the way that I wear the headband or the scarf, whatever you want to call it. I've kind of changed the way I wear it as well, because this is really long and you can kind of wear it in a different style. I just want to tie another little knot here so that I have like a little bump or a little something here. Tuck those under. Yeah, you've got a little knot kind of like there. So it looks a little bit different than how I used to wear it. I used to wear it quite flat, but now I wear it like that. I kind of like my new styling, actually. I'm feeling my new styling. For £1, guys, 3 good scarves, £1 each. Yes, please, I will have some of that. Get my little earrings in, my little danglies in. You guys, I'm almost ready, almost ready. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you have enjoyed spending some time with me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, I don't know what you're waiting for. You need to hit the subscribe button like now. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to know about it. And you can come and join me over here. Now, in my last video, guys, I talked about making an expression hair wig collection. And yes, I am going to be doing that. I am going to be continuing with my expression hair wig collection. definitely we are going to be doing that. So my next video, guys, look out for that, because I will be coming back at you with another expression hair wig. We are going to rock out the whole expression hair styling. We are going to make so many. Guys, subscribe, turn on your notifications. That's all I can tell you. You don't want to miss it. Make sure you join me in my next video. It was lovely being around for this few minutes. I hope you've enjoyed this video. But for now, guys, stay tuned and stay blessed.